They say that if they could go back in time with the experience and the knowledge they have today, they wouldn't have done it. It was a mistake from their point of view. The reasons the mothers related to are the heavy burden of responsibility that accompanies motherhood, loss of time, loss of feeling of the previous self before becoming mothers, this certain kind of relationship that someone depends on them, that is unbearable to them. We regret everything. The list is so long. The only reason that we are mesmerized and surprised by the fact that there are women who regret motherhood is because motherhood was pushed beyond the human experience to a kind of a kingdom which is unhuman. And this is why, one of the reasons why so many women are collapsing